Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another AFT family video.
We hope everyone is doing well.
Now you guys are probably wondering why we are dressed. And that's because we are heading to my dad's workplace. So come guys, let's get going.
Now we are heading to the park.
So guys, now we're in the car and we're waiting for it to get warmed up. And by the way guys, there are 2 other followers that wanted us to write their names, so we'll do that at my dad's workplace.
Guys, stay with us and we'll catch you at our dad's workplace.
So guys, we've reached at my dad's workplace and let's get going. Let's make our way in. And you come.
Mirjan. How are you? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi, Mirjan.
Daddy, was it
Allah.
a nice surprise?
Yeah, was it a nice surprise?
Yeah.
Okay.
How? It was so cold. I told you guys don't go out. Amir, did you miss me?
No.
You know why? Because I'm always telling him, don't go out, don't go out. So, well, he can come out. It was a nice surprise for me. Thank you guys for coming.
Daddy, can you show us and the viewers how to cut chicken?
Chicken? Ah, you guys came for something for trouble now again, yes? You guys didn't saw me, you guys are after me, I know. You see, he's telling me, cut me a chicken. Shall I cut a chicken for them? Oh, okay, let me cut a chicken.
Okay.
You help me in my jacket. But you have to record me from there so you can see me, because if you record me from here, you will see my back. So I have to go to that table. You hold my jacket. Okay. Guys, now as my children ask me to cut a chicken for them. Do you think I'm not a good butcher? Let me see. Okay guys, let me just fix myself. I don't need to wear the mask because they are my family, see, I don't really need it, but for customer, if I have customer, I have to wear the mask. I don't wear it now because they are my children, so it's not problem at all.
You guys are going to learn how to become butchers today. And so are we, because...
If you want to learn how to cut chicken, okay, let me wear the gloves. Guys, you see when your gloves doesn't blow up, you just do like this. Look. Bring air in it and push it down like this so the finger come up. Yeah.
But when for example, if I want to wear a glove like that,
Yeah.
when I used to wear a glove like that, I
Yeah.
blow the inside on it.
Oh, so I don't blow them because.
I think it was a better.
Okay. Only one chicken you guys asked me for, yeah?
Yes.
Guys, as you can see.
This bell.
Oh, no problem.
It's from
As you guys can see, this is the baby chicken, guys. I'm gonna cut a chicken today for you guys. Like, if you don't want to break the bones, I'll show you how to cut it, your skin out, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Okay, yeah,
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 the skin
yeah,
up, yeah?
you can do the
Okay.
skin.
Guys, you cut it like this. Then there's the joint. Don't think my knife is sharp. It's not the knife, it is the technique as well. So all you have to use joints. As you can see, you see, this is not the knife, it is the chicken. Okay, so you skin it up like this. The wings is a bit hard part. You clean it like this. Okay, turn the chicken. As you can see, only the skin should go. No, not the meat. Okay, so you cannot move it. Okay, this is this. When you do it, you hold it like this. Okay, pull this one. You come right to the end. Then you put the
Sorry.
yeah.
It's the skin
Yeah.
Yes, this is the skin. Okay, at first you have to skin it off before you cut it, because once you cut it, then it's very hard to take out the skin. Okay, so you put, at first you take out the skin from the wing side, then you pull it this way. So after that, some people, they don't care, they want the fat, so you just tell them how to cut it. And but special, some people want it too special. So as you can see, this side fat, you clear it like this. As you can see, you clean the fat like this.
As you guys can see, my dad is risking his hands every single day to make money for us.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, but that's my job now. I have experience. Thank you, Sajjad. This is my job. Every dad, every father work for their children, for their futures. So this is the rubbish. You go here, guys. Some people, they use big chopper to chop it up like this with a big chopper. Pa, 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 pa. So that is not good, because when the children eat, when they cook at home, when the children eat, the bones will be small pieces. May it go in the middle of their teeth, it make them bleed, it make them hurt their tooth. So no, this one, even some people use this one. This you can use it sometime, but as I'm been working this for 20 years, so now I'm gonna use the same knife. What we're gonna do, we break their joint. Okay, so we don't need to use any. So you see, as you can see, I did. So look, only with 2 fingers you can cut. You see, that's the thigh part. This is the drumstick part, and you do the same to the left one. So same thing. That's thigh. Those are leg. This is the thigh. What you're gonna do here, you hold it like this. Go around their arm. Pull it up. Once you pull it up, there will be a bit fat. You can clear this. Okay, and you can join this one like this. As you guys can see clear, look, it's proper joint. So what you're gonna do, again joint, as you guys can see, clear, and you wanna take out the wings. So the wings will be joined like this. This is the wings, this is the breast part, we cut it to 2. And this is the same thing to the another one. You see 3 joints, as you can see, all joint. As you can see, all joint. No chopping, no broken bones. As you can see, all. And this part, some people want it and some people doesn't want it. If some people want it, you just chop this one and the neck. So you can add it and you can put it separate as well. You can add it if someone wants, otherwise you leave it like this. Guys, this was the experience of my knife and so I hope you guys liked it. If anyone liked the way I cut it, please put comments down. Thank you guys, and thank you guys for coming. I cut your chicken now. You liked it?
Yeah.
Was it easy?
Guys, as we mentioned earlier, 2 of our followers wanted us to write their names down. And as you guys can see, their names are written down here. Mudassar and Noman. And we wrote it with spaghetti candy. Thank you, Mudassar and Noman, for always leaving a comment and supporting us, and we love you so much.
Yes, thank you,
Yes, we love
Mudassar
you,
and Noman.
Mudassar
We
and
love you
Noman.
so much.
Amir?
Amir, guys, as you can see, when we were talking, now he's eating crisp. Whenever he come to the shop, it costs me at least 10-15 pounds. He can have candies, chocolate, crisp, drinks, everything he wants. When he's going home, and he want it in his bag as well. Am I right? Yes? He always crisp, yeah? Oh, say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, guys. Yes,
Yeah,
Sajjad.
guys, unfortunately, this is the end of the video. But if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to smash the notification button.
We love you all. Bye.